My head feels heavy today. My nose will not stop running. But I really want to play outside. Maybe I can sneak out for a little while. Yes, I made it out. But I really do not feel good right now. What should you do when you are sick? It is so cold, and I feel very tired. That sneeze came out of nowhere. I hate being sick. I just want to feel normal again.
Hey, Tom! The weather is great today. Let us go to the park and have fun!
I feel awful, but it sounds fun. Maybe just a little while. I will be fine.
Awesome! Hurry up!
I should not be doing this. But I really do not want to miss out.
Tom, stop right there. Where do you think you are going?
I was only going out for a minute.
You are sick, buddy. You need to stay home and rest.
You do not look good, Tom. You really should not go outside today. Okay, I understand. I will stay inside.
Please be good and get some rest.
Maybe just a quick trip. No one will notice.
Tom, what did we just say?
All right.
I am going back. Anna, stay here and watch your brother.
I promise I will not go anywhere. I really need the bathroom. Okay, but I am coming with you. Can you turn around, please? This is really embarrassing.
Fine, but do not try anything.
Now is my chance. I can sneak out quietly. Hey, Tom, what are you doing? Sorry, Anna. I will explain later. These flowers need more water today. This light is perfect for photos. Stay calm. Do not get caught. This might actually work. Yes, I made it out. Tom, you came. I knew it. Yeah, I made it. This is so much fun. Wait, I need a break. I really do not feel good right now.
Tom, we finally found you.
I am sorry. I messed up.
You are burning up. Let us check your temperature. Yes, you have a fever. Drink this slowly. It will help you feel.
Thank you, Mom. Do I really need medicine?
Yes, you do. If you drink it, I will do my silly dance.
Okay, I will drink it. It is not that bad.
Good job! Now get some rest.
feel better now. The rest really worked.
Let us talk about what we learned today. When you are sick, you must tell us.
And you should not go outside to play. Medicine and rest are very important.
I know I was wrong. I am really sorry for sneaking out.
We are just glad you are okay. We love you. We love you.
I promise I will listen next time. Good choice, little brother. Staying home is not so bad. Next time, I will rest like I should.
That is what we wanted to hear. Your health always comes first.
I understand now.
And no more bathroom escape tricks.
Resting actually feels nice. I feel safe at home. Feeling better now. Much better, much better. Thanks for helping me, Anna. That is what family is for.
Everything is back to normal now.
The park can wait. My health is more important. I learned my lesson today. Thank you for watching our story. If you liked it, please subscribe. Tell us what you do when you are sick.